10.9 Mavericks. This is going to be pretty much the same for most printers, I suspect, most Canon or Epson or HP printers if you want to scan wirelessly, well, printer scanners. So we launch image capture, which is located in our applications folder. You have it automatically. It comes with Mac OS X. So once we launch image capture, we look at shared and we hit show. We see our printer scanner device show up magically. We click on it, and initially it says software for this device is not installed, and so we want to install it. That's the reason I'm using my mom's computer right now, is because hers hasn't been set up. So Mac OS X Mavericks will go search for printer scanner software, initially in Apple's databases. Now we see that image capture says that it is now downloading printer software. Has just found the software from Apple's servers, and it's just magically doing its thing. We didn't have to insert a CD or anything. We didn't have to go to HP's websites. Apple just has magically connected us to the driver software for the Officejet 6600. So checking in with our installation, we see that it is still installing. So this has taken a few minutes. So in just a second, this computer will be able to scan wirelessly to the HP Officejet 6600. So now we see it shared. We see it says it's waiting for scanner. It says no document loaded. Now the issue initially is that we are in document feeder mode. So if we're using the flatbed, we have to go select flatbed so that we can see a preview. So once we have a preview, we can then select what we want to scan. We can select the dots per inch. I'm just going to do 100 because we don't really need a very high resolution capture of our lined paper. New folder on the desktop for scanning example, and then we can just hit scan. It says scanning document scan. Now, once it's scanned, we can hit the magnifying glass, and that's going to open up our image for us in the Finder. And then we can then hit the space bar to use Quick View to get a quick preview of our scanned image. Okay, now then, the other mode that the Officejet 6600 features is a document feeder. And we can just select document feeder. It's not going to give us a preview. So unlike the flatbed, we don't get a preview. I'm going to say this is 2 pages from document feeder. So once we have this set up, we can hit scan. Once again, this is coming from next door. I can't hear anything right now. Which also means, unfortunately, I don't know if something goes wrong. In the distance, I did kind of just hear the feeder click into place. We see that it now says it is scanning document 2 pages from document feeder, which is what I named it. So there's the first page. That went through pretty well, and that was actually some glossy paper, so that's good to know. Now it's going to be scanning the second page over there. There it went. That one was in backwards. I had that one in upside down, but now we get some abstract art. So these also have gone to my desktop. Oh, well, we also see that it says now no document loaded, so it is aware of when we were done scanning. So here are our 2 images we have just scanned with our feeder next door. Now again, the feeder is awesome because I just stacked them up over there, and so later I'm going to go stack up a pile of magazines I've ripped up. So that works pretty well. That's how you do it.